How to create an account on Phantom Wallet app. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Let's do it. Open first your Phantom, then it will open here. Click I agree to the term of service and then click create new wallet. Here it will take you to this page. You have to continue with your email. Click on it, click Google, sign up with Google, and it will take you to another page and you have to sign up with your account. Choose here your Google account that you wanna use. For example, I choose this one. Click here, click continue, and right now it will take you back to your application Phantom. So here you have to add or create a pin. For example, this is the pin that I want to use. Click continue and add it again and click down create pin. And as you see, it's creating my wallet. And here, if you want to protect your wallet and use the device authentication, if you don't want, just click next and click here get started. And that's all guys. So here, if you want to enable your instant update, click not now. And that's all guys. If you find this video useful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.